paid a grand total of £12.95 for this Grandstand Batman LCD game. Sold as faulty with no sound. There she is. There's a description. Rare. They always say rare, don't they? So, let's pop some batteries in and let's see what it's doing. Nice. Nice. Right, let's see what it's doing. Well, it's coming on. Sound. Yes, there's no sound. There's a little symbol there. I mean, the game isn't actually starting, is it? Level 1. Okay, yeah, it started, but there's no sound. Yeah, so the game plays. We just don't have any sound. Let's try and fix it. I mean, this could be something very straightforward. It could just be a loose wire on a speaker. Or it could be part of the, I don't know, maybe the amplifier. Do they have amplifiers? Don't know. Well, let's take it apart and have a look. And just while I'm taking it apart, we'll give a shout out to the Holy Hand Grenade patrons, which this week is Wrong Screwdriver. Wrong Screwdriver isn't a Patreon, by the way. Tidder, Ellis Garbett, Jamrag Berlin, and Oz Newton. Thanks very much for your support, guys. Much appreciated. Oh, nice. Okay, so there's the speaker, and it is connected. It's in very good condition, isn't it? It's very clean. See a blob chip hiding under there. We've got a crystal, we've got a transistor. Ah, transistor. That's probably what amplifies the sound, isn't it? And is that an inductor? So the speakers are connected here, and both this, I'm going to call it an inductor, whether it is or not, I don't know, and this transistor are both connected to this point here. Everything does seem to be connected there, but let's check that first. So that one to there, yep, and that one to there. Yeah, so that's fine. I mean, it may be that the speaker has failed. How can I test that? 107 ohms. 107 ohms? Does that sound right? I've got no idea, but I'm going to assume that that's correct. I mean, I don't suspect the crystal purely because the screen and everything is working. I'm wondering whether it's this transistor. Let's get this little board out. Let's have a look at the other side. Oh, don't want to lose that. Guys, so clean. Right, so this says coil. This says buzz. So that's the speaker. And the coil. Yeah, so that is an inductor. How do I get to the transistor, though? It's under the screen, isn't it? That's a pain. Let's measure that coil. Well, that's the same resistance as the speaker, isn't it? Alright, well, I guess I am going to have to take this screen out, which I didn't really want to do, but I want to have a look at that transistor. Well, it came off quite easily. I'm going to leave those zebra connectors in. Well, the soldering doesn't look great under there. Right, well, let's pop this transistor out and let's measure it out circuit. There we go. Right, what sort of transistor is it? It's a C9013, I think that is. Right, it looks like an NPN transistor. Let's pop it in here. Let's see if this can read it. Diode. I've just taken this transistor at random from my pack of transistors. Let's see. That's a PNP. Oh, it is reading that one. Right, well, I haven't really got a clue what I'm talking about here, but that doesn't seem right. So I think I'm going to try and replace that. I need to try and find one that's the same. 9013. Let's try one of those. Let's just pop it in here first to see what it reads as. There we go, NPN. Right, okay, so that's definitely not how the original one was reading. So I'm going to try popping this one in, and let's see if that makes any difference. Right, let's try that. So let's pop the screen back in. Right, let's put the batteries back in. While it comes on. Get in. I mean, I took a bit of a punt on it being that transistor, but turns out I was right. And I've died. Stupid game.